APX1C1 is a controller for online real-time monitoring and measurement of pH value or OAP value of water quality. Its operating panel consists of menu button, down button, right button, enter button and a display screen. In the measurement mode, long press the menu button to enter the main menu. Press the down button to switch between the two secondary display modes. Press the right button to switch between the two measurement value display modes. Long press the enter button to open the shortcut calibration menu. In the main menu, press the menu button to return to the measurement mode. Press the down button to move the cursor down. Press the right button to move the cursor up. Press the enter button to enter the submenu or the item selected by the cursor. In the submenu, press the menu button to return to the previous menu. When setting the value, press the down button to reduce the value by 1 or change the sign bit. Press the right button to move the cursor to the right. Press enter button to save the settings and return to the previous menu. Press the menu button to give up the modification and return to the previous menu. In addition, during the calibration process, press the menu button to cancel the calibration.